Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable location tracking in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to go to your settings. Now go to privacy and security. Now scroll down and click on location. Here you can see location services. If you want to disable location tracking in your laptop, then you have to turn off this button. By turning this off, your app access will be automatically off. Or if you want to enable this location services, you have to turn on this button. Or you can here customize your location from different apps. So this is how you can enable or disable location tracking in laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.